Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can activate and schedule dark mode on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our settings application on our Android phone, and we have to open the display setting. Click on this display setting, and if you want to activate your dark mode, you just need to click on this dark option. And if you want to schedule your dark mode, you can go to the dark mode settings. Click on this option. And here you can schedule your dark mode. You can click on turn on as scheduled like this. And you can set the schedule. You can choose set to sunrise, or you can also set custom schedule. If you want to set custom schedule, you can click on custom schedule, and here you can set the schedule, or you can set the time when you want to activate your dark mode on your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate and schedule dark mode on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.